formal invitation. The first we saw was complaint letter. Second, we saw placing orders. And now today, I already told you in this business letters, there is another category, that is enquiry. Of all of you, I might be remembering, I explained in the first class when I was taking the letter, formal letter, when I was explaining to you formal letters. Enquiry means just want to enquire, to take some details from some institution or from some firm. For example, after you complete your 12th standard, you might be going to some other colleges or institutions for further studies. So you may be requiring some information from them regarding the duration of course, about the hostel facility they are providing, or regarding the fees structures, etc., etc. Or if you want to go for a tour, you want the details of them in a bulk tour packages. So let's see today. Let me give you a question. You are Mahi, a student of class 12. You are Mahi, a student of class 12 at 22, XY apartments, Punjab. No, don't give Punjab. XY apartments, Amritsar. Okay, Amritsar. You are interested in pursuing a course in journalism. All of you know what is journalism? Journalism करने के बाद ही आप लोग ये मीडिया वगैरह में या न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह में काम कर सकते हैं. So pursuing a course in journalism. Write a letter to Asian Institute of Journalism. Write a letter to Asian Institute of Journalism, Mumbai. Asian Institute of Journalism, Mumbai. Seeking information about the suitable courses. Eligibility criteria, fee structure, etc. Suitable courses, eligibility criteria, मतलब उधर सीट मिलने के लिए क्या eligibility होना चाहिए, fee structure, etc. So this is the question. Now let's start the letter. As you are aware of the format, left side में 222 क्या दिया था मैंने, address, whatever address I given, XY apartment. I forgot what address I gave you, वो लिख लेना. इसमें आपका एड्रेस जो दिया है, नाम दिया नाम नहीं लिखना, जस्ट एड्रेस लिख लेना. मैंने तो मेरे तरफ से लिखा है 22 XY अपार्टमेंट अमृतसर. व्हाट एवर एड्रेस आई गेव यू, राइट दैट. इसके नीचे डेट 20 अक्टूबर 2020. इसके नीचे डेट के नीचे आप लिख सकते हैं the director, Asian Institute of नीचे लिख लेना डायरेक्टर एशियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ जर्नलिज्म मुंबई। फर्स्ट में आपका एड्रेस, सेकंड एक लाइन छोड़ के डेट लिख लो, फिर एक लाइन छोड़ के डायरेक्टर एशियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ जर्नलिज्म मुंबई। इसके नीचे सब्जेक्ट लिख लो, information regarding courses in journalism। Information regarding courses in journalism। ओके, ये सब्जेक्ट लिखने के बाद एक लाइन छोड़ के लिखो सर या मैडम, सर मैडम, सर मैडम लिखने के बाद उसके नेक्स्ट लाइन से लिखो with due respect, I would like to say that with due respect, I would like to say that at present, I am a student of class 12 with art stream. With due respect, I would like to say that at present, I am a student of class 12 with art stream. Full stop. I expect the as I am sincerely involved in my studies, as I am sincerely involved in my studies, I am to pass the annual examination. I am to pass the annual examination with flying colors. With flying colors. I want it to be. I want to follow. I want to follow journalism as my career. Journalism as my career. CARWR. I wish to take journalism as my career. Yeah, I want to both of things. And likewise, I wish to acquire the following information so that I can choose the suitable option available. So that I can choose the suitable options available. A लिख लो फर्स्ट वाला, various courses being offered with their duration. Various courses being offered with their duration. B, इसके नीचे B, eligibility details. C, fee structure. कितना फीस लेगा आप लोग, फीस स्ट्रक्चर. D, any provisions of scholarship. Any provisions for of scholarships. E, accommodation facilities. Accommodation facilities. The next line से लिखो. Once your response is accepted by me, once your response is accepted by me, I shall be in a position to tune my mindset, full stop. For convenience, comma, I am also sending duly stamped and self-addressed, ADDRESSED, self-addressed envelope to be used for sending the necessary information to me. Next one. Request a quick response. उसका अगले लाइन में with regard या thanking you, दोनों में से एक लिख सकते हैं. with regard या thanking you yours faithfully. Thanking you yours faithfully या sincerely या truly, तीनों में से एक लिख सकते हैं. Thanking you yours faithfully. क्या नाम दिया था आप लोगों ने, वो नाम दे देना इधर, ठीक है. नाम दिया है वो दे देना. Clear? So the letter is clear for all of you. Now let me give a homework for you. Take the work. Write a letter to the director, MP School of Management, Chennai, requesting him to provide details for admission to PG course. Details of admission to PG course, such as eligibility criteria, fees, hostel facility, etc. You are Ravi Yashina of 22 Ramnagar, Chennai. So do this work and send to me at the earliest. If you have any doubts regarding any course or any letter, not a course, any letter, please feel free to ask me. And now let me clarify a few things regarding your coming exam. All of you are having your timetable with you, plus the syllabus of all subjects. If you didn't get any syllabus for any subject, please ask the concerned teacher. And if you are not added to any group, that too, please inform the concerned teacher regarding the same. And let me tell you about the marks. The paper half yearly paper will be of 50 marks. Make it clear, it will be 50 marks, but the paper test will be for 40 marks and 10 marks will be for homework submission. So those who have been sending the homework promptly, like right good manner, will get the full marks, 10 marks very easily. And those who have not been sending the homework, I'm very sorry, I'll be cutting your marks in a very, but I won't spare you, to be really speaking, because we have been requesting you from the very beginning to send the homework. So if you have not been serious to your studies, we are helpless. So once more I will clarify to you, the paper will be of 50 marks, 40 marks test and 10 marks for the homework submission and the copies. So all of you know, you will be asked to come to school for your exam and the 6th. On 6th, when you come to school, you have to bring your English copies with you, with neatly labeled and covered, and you have to submit to me. I'll be checking your works and be giving you the marks according to that. So thank you. Have a wonderful day.